Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today's plan with me is going to be my monthly layout, and it's for November 2020. I'm going to be doing a mood tracker on my monthly this month. So if you'd like to see what I do, stick around. All right, so first off, if you hear noise in the background, it's probably my dishwasher. I don't usually run it while I'm filming videos, so I don't know if that's going to show up or not. Anyway, I decided this month to do a mood tracker. Last month I did I'm not going to show it to you because it's like personal financial information, but I don't know if you saw my October monthly. I did a budget layout on my monthly, and basically it was like how much I was spending each day and what categories I was spending it in. And I got to tell you, like by the end of the month, it was very eye-opening, and I'm glad I did it, but I don't want to do that every month because that was sort of like trying to show myself and learn what my spending habits were. I still want to do a budget planner. Maybe I'll start that in January. I don't know, but for now, I am not. I don't typically use my monthly layout for like checking what I have going on in the month because I do use my phone calendar for that. So while I was doing that every month to show you guys how to use it and just as an overview, I hardly ever looked at it. So I'm going to sort of be trying different things every month on like different ideas for the monthly. And this month I thought I would try a mood tracker because I've never done that on my monthly page before. So obviously this is going to be a fall leaf mood tracker. I'm going to have a key over here where I have different colors for different moods, and I will color those in every day. But the first thing I'm going to do, and as you can see, I penciled it in already, but I'm going to trace it, fast forward it for you guys so you can watch me trace it if you're interested, and then I'll come back and we will work on the rest of the spread. Okay, I think that looks cute. I will erase the pencil marks probably after this video because I want to give it a couple hours, especially on this side because this paper is always a little bit more, I don't know what the word is, but it's a different feel than this paper, and erasing sometimes like you got to be careful. So I will erase it when it's completely dry. All right, so I had a couple of ideas here. I have these leaf stickers they are Stickopotamus brand. I don't remember where I got them. Probably Hobby Lobby or Joann. I don't know. And then I have these stickers from Live Love Posh's floral sticker book. I thought they would kind of go nice. They're kind of fallish. I also have the Modern Farmhouse sticker book out in case I need that. And I pulled out 3 washi tapes. I thought these were kind of pretty and fallish, so I thought maybe I would at least cover the line up here. I'm not sure what else I would do with it, but let's just get started. That's really all I've got, so I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. But I think as far as like the days go, it's like done. You know what I mean? Because that takes up like the whole block. I'm going to white out this line, and I'm going to use the washi tape up here. And I probably don't have to white out that line, but it might show through a little bit depending on which washi tape I use. Okay. So I thought this was pretty. And I'm going to coordinate these colors with the colored pencils that I'm going to be using throughout the month to color those in. So I have to kind of, I don't know, coordinate it all together. So I don't know that I'm going to use both up here. I also did like the idea of this maybe combined with this, but now that I'm looking at it, like I do love it, but I don't know. Maybe I should just stick with these. But this color coordinates with the stickers that I'm planning to use. That was the thing. Okay, wait. Let me look and see if these coordinate with the stickers. I mean, not really, right? Not really. Now I'm rethinking the stickers. Why don't I start with these and then kind of see if I want to pull these in. Obviously, this is going to go pretty well with these. I think that looks pretty. Okay, I think I decided not to use these orange floral stickers because they're just not, they're not matching the color scheme I have in mind. Sorry about that noise. That's my colored pencils. So I think I'm going to stick with these, and I'm going to add a gold box in the side for like my key, for my color key. So let's do that first. And I am going to use a couple of these, I think. Maybe make some stripes across the bottom and maybe one on the top as well. I don't know. It's all kind of up in the air, but I have a little bit more of an idea now. Okay, so that's going to be for the color key, and I will make that in a couple minutes. But let me just put these down, and they're just going to kind of be sort of coming down the page. I'm going to get my scissors and just cut. Where are my scissors? Oh. Just kind of place these around just so that they look like they're falling from a tree. I don't know if they'll look like that, but that's my plan. This one. And then one like that, and then maybe this is like a weird point to the end of it. I'm going to cut this one off a little so it looks a little bit different than the other one. It's just a different kind. I actually don't like that very much. And then I'll cut right here and put it like this. Actually, I need to cut it down a little bit more. Uh-oh. Cat and dog fight. What else is new? So when you do these monthly spreads, just keep in mind you don't just have to put birthdays and holidays and appointments. You can make it unique and just do other stuff. I have talked about this before, but I do have a video on ways to use your monthly spread. So I will put that in the description box so you can see that. Okay. All right, so that's cute. Now I'm just going to trim off this excess. I cannot believe it's November. Where has the year gone? Really? It's crazy. I'm actually filming this on November 1st. I'm a little late. I usually plan my monthly like a week before the month starts, so I'm a little late this month. So, yeah. What can I say? I have no excuse for that. Other than I'm not perfect. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. I know I say that all the time, but I really don't know how I feel about that until I see the whole thing finished. So let's keep going with this. Down at the bottom here, I thought I would take these stripes, and what I thought I would do. Wow, I wrinkled this up really bad. Maybe I can salvage it. I thought I would just take it all the way across here. I can always pull some up if I don't like this way, but I thought I would try it like this and see. I don't know. These leaves on the side are throwing me because they're so light colored and gold. And I don't use a lot of that, so I'm kind of unsure as to if I'm going to like this or not. But I know, oh no, look at what I did. Oh well, I'm leaving it. But I know I'm going to like it when it's all colored in. I just don't know if I'm going to like it before it's colored in, but we'll see. So do I want this one? I mean, that's going to coordinate with the gold, but then I'm going to need something green up there, I think. So I'm just going to do stripes. I don't know. I like stripes. Have you noticed that? I put a lot of stripes in my planner. There's something about stripes. I also wear a lot of stripes. And my boyfriend told me, he's like, my sister told me that you shouldn't wear, not that I shouldn't wear, but like people shouldn't wear horizontal stripes because it makes them look fat. I'm like, thanks. He's like, no, I didn't mean that. Okay. But I don't think it does, at least not for me. I don't think it makes me look any different really. So I just like stripes a lot. Okay, so that's kind of cool, right? It's a little bit cool, I think. But now what are we going to do up there? Oh, man. Because I feel like... See, I wish I had another sheet of these and then I could bring those across. Like, I don't have enough of these to make it. Unless I just sort of did this. I don't know. I also wanted to cover that white out. And then I thought maybe I'd bring the leaves up here to kind of finish it off up at the top. But if I put another green stripe up there, it's going to look weird because this stripe goes all the way here to here and this stripe's smaller. Okay, so I kind of wish I didn't cover that up. I should have waited. But I didn't. So let's just work with it. I'm going to cover up 2020 and you'll see why. I don't need that 2020 there. I know that it's 2020. It's obvious that it's 2020, right? So I'm okay with covering that up. So let's just go ahead and do that with some label paper here. This is Avery full sheet label paper. It is one with true blocking on the back so that you don't see through it. It's very opaque. And this is what I use to cover up things in my planner that I don't want to see underneath. See, it's gray. I think there's a couple different kinds of the label paper, but like I like the one that's got the true block. So I always have that linked in my description. But I'll be sure to include it in the products linked in this video. So I've been linking all of the products lately that I use, including like my scissors and my knife and all. I've been putting all of that in the description of each video because I keep getting questions on that stuff. So I hope that's helpful for you. It's extra work for me for sure, but I hope it's helpful. Okay, I just realized that I'm on 19% on my battery. What the heck? So I gotta hurry up. Okay, so I covered up 2020. I found this leaf washi tape that I thought went with the theme, and it also does go with the color. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm going to put it up here next to November, and we'll just see how it looks. It's also not going to come all the way to where like the bottom one is, so I'm a little bit unsure about this, but we're just going to go for it and see what it looks like. It does match the theme for sure, so at least there's that, right? So we'll just cut it like right there by November. We'll take it all the way down, cut it at the end there. Actually, maybe I should cut it here. Let me cut it here because this one's cut there. This is definitely a different spread than what I'm used to. I've never done something like this before, so It's always fun to try new things. That's what I always say, right? Am I right? Yes. Okay, so let's hurry up before my battery dies. So let me finish this top part here, and I'm just gonna put some leaves up here to carry this leaf theme all the way up the page. I think that's probably a good idea. It's gonna kind of finish it off. I wish I had saved a bigger leaf from down there, but I didn't. So we're just gonna wing it, and we'll put it like, wait, that's too much of the same angle. Okay. All right, so now we have to work on, like I said, this color key over here. So let's get my colored pencils. I pulled out all the fall colors that I saw and thought that I would pick some that kind of coordinate with what I've got here. So let me just grab a sheet of paper. I'm just gonna grab my my Minnie Mouse pad that's like right by my desk because it seems to be helpful when I need paper, and it's cute. Okay, so we're gonna need, let me see, I'm gonna need about 4 or 5 colors. So that's a bit bright. I don't know. All right, let me pause again. Okay, so I picked these colors. These are Prismacolor colored pencils. I find that they're the best. I do also like Arteza, but Prismacolor is my favorite. So I'm going to be coloring in the leaves these colors, and I'm just going to label them here. So I have the following moods: happy. Hopefully I'll be coloring a lot of these green. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Probably I'll be coloring most of them yellow. I mean, most of the time I'm okay. Hi. Allie just got home, so I'm going to finish this up. And then we have, what was my next one? Angry. Hopefully there's not going to be too much orange in here. Stressed. And then sad. Okay, so those are the moods. Hi. And
did you draw all those?
Yes.
Cute.
Thanks. And now I'm just going to come in here. I forgot I wanted to label the top of the page, so I'm going to come in here with these stickers. I got these at the dollar store, believe it or not. I've never gotten any planner stickers at the dollar store, but I thought for you guys, I probably should do that because I know a lot of you are trying to save some money. So I grabbed these, and I like these black polka dot ones, so I thought I would use these to just spell out mood right up here. I was going to do mood tracker, but
you always in the mood?
I was going to spell out mood tracker, but there's really no point in doing that because we know it's a mood tracker if I write mood. So, and I'm not going to like measure out exactly where to put these. I'm just going to wing it right here. I think that's cute. Nothing like black and white polka dots to put me in a good mood. November mood. All right. So that, I kind of don't like that there's a space down there, but I'll live with that. I mean, it's okay. Maybe I'll put a little washi tape there or something. So that is my November mood tracker. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And also let me know if you do mood trackers, because I think mood trackers are like really fun things, especially to look back on and just see what things were like in November 2020. So that's all I've got for you today. Take care, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.